Hello everyone, my name is Akash and today we will learn how to first reduce and then split a big file into multiple files so that it can be uploaded into e-filing of EDRT. As you all know that in e-filing of EDRT only maximum of 5 MB data is allowed only. So we will make each file of less than 5 MB. So what is the process to do that? So first we will go on Google and then after we will type reduce PDF size online. Then on first link we will click, this type of website will open, then select PDF file and we will select that PDF file which we want to reduce. So this is the 30 MB file we have selected, first we have taken, then we will reduce this file first. Then here we will take that 30 MB file and then we will open that file. This file is of 30 MB and we will here we will go on compress PDF. Okay, then it will compress the PDF. As you can see, the file size is 30 MB as of now. Now it will be uploaded and will be reduced. Now it is compressing PDF. So as you can see that 30 MB file has now become 19.61 MB file. Okay, and the format is PDF only. Okay, then we will take it on the desktop, we will download it into the desktop, save, and then after, so in folder, so our file is here. Okay, 30 MB file. Now this one is compressed. Okay, so first we have made 30 MB to 19 MB. So step 1 is to reducing the PDF file size, and the step 2 is to split a big file into less than 5 MB multiple files. So in this what we will do, split a big file into less than 5 MB multiple files so that it can be uploaded into the e-filing of EDRT. So for that, now we have downloaded the reduced compressed PDF file. Okay, then again we will click open a window and then we will type a split PDF file size wise. Okay, then after we will click on split PDF by file size, then upload PDF files. We will upload that 19 MB file. Now the 30 MB file has been reduced into 19 MB, and then after we will split that 19 MB file. So we will 30, now this one the compressed one, so open, and now it will ask for what size we will want. Okay, what size we are taking. So here by default is 10 MB, but we can change it to 4.8. Suppose it is 5 MB acceptable for e-filing, but for our safe side we are taking 4.8 only. So that, and we will click on MB and then after the split PDF by size. It is processing. So now as you can see, our zip file is ready to download. So we will just download this zip file. Suppose we are downloading on zip file, save, then this zip file, we will open this zip file. So this is our zip file. Okay, we are again creating a folder in which we will put all that files. New application folder. Suppose we are doing new application folder. Now where is our splitted file? This is zip file. Okay, so what we will do is we will open that zip file. Okay, and then there are 1 2 3 4 5 files are there. I mean 19 MB was there, so 19 MB has been splitted into 5 parts of 4.6 MB, 4.6 MB, 4.7 MB, 4.5 MB and 2.1 MB. Okay, so now we will extract, because it is in zip file, that's why we need to extract these files. So we will extract these files into a specific folder that we have made just, that is new application. Okay, and then okay. So now if we will see our new application, here is the new application folder. So in the new application folder we can see that now this file is of 4.43 MB, this one is of 4.49 MB only. So as you can see, now every file is less than 5 MB. So by this way we can upload these documents on e-filing. So that's over for the today. Thanks for watching the video. Kindly like and subscribe. Thank you very much.